Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Zakiyyah. I am a student of Geography Education at the University of Education Indonesia. Today, this video, I am to describe Bogor, the Rhine City, because the city of Bogor is my hometown. Bogor is a city in the province of West Java, Indonesia. It is located 54 kilometers south of Jakarta, and its territory is located in the middle area of Bogor Regency. Bogor has been known as the Rhine City, as it has a very high rainfall. In average daily, the city is powered by 454 mm of water. Bogor City consists of 6 districts, which are further divided over a number of 68 villages. In the Netherlands colonial, Bogor known as Buitenzorg, which means known city or safe city. Short history of the Rhine City. Bogor founding date formally is June 3, 1482. The date was not actually the date when Bogor was established. The date was taken from the coronation of Prabu Siliwangi, the king of Siliwangi, the king of Sunda Kingdom that had a capital in currently known as Bogor. His decision to move the capital of his kingdom to this city made his coronation date used as the founding date of the Rhine City. Layout. Bogor is located between and has an average height of at least 190 meters, a maximum of 350 meters, with distance from the capital city of approximately 60 kilometers. The city has a total area of Bogor 118.5 kilometers square and drains some of the surface water deep below the surface of the Rhine, namely Ciliwung, Cisadane, and Cibalok. Such topography makes the city of Bogor was relatively safe from the danger of flooding. The city is surrounded by 3 mountains, Mount Salak, Mount Gede, and Mount Parango, so very rich in Rhine orography, and all are actually still active, but they have slept for quite long. Bogor has long been known center of national agricultural education and research. This is where various institutions and hall of agricultural research and the biology of dating back to the 19th century. The uniqueness of this local climate exploited by the plants of the colonial Netherlands by making the Bogor Botanical Research Center and as agriculture, which continues to the present. Bogor is world famous for its Bogor Botanical Garden, a conservation site for several plants and animals. The geographical position of the city of Bogor in the middle area of Bogor Regency and the location proximity to the nation capital Jakarta make it of strategic development in economic activity and growth. This is short description of my city, the lovely Bogor.